what is the glue that is keeping us all together? And music over history has always been the greatest glue to bring people together. The resonance between what Swaratma thinks about climate change communication and the general climate change narrative, that's something that we feel very particularly strong about.
What makes it more interesting, especially if you're using art or any other medium? Like I saw some of them, like there was a student who studied about Assam floods. There was a girl who made about Avalalli forest deforestation in Bangalore. That is what makes it more interesting and more genuine. But how do you make it a storytelling? How do you make it more personal? Because only when it is personal, it is a change that you want to bring it in your life and hence into the lives of people around.
There's a certain magic, I think, that emerges from having your original compositions talk about the interface between society, the environment, and politics and economics and all of that. I love the way the band interacted with the audience. It basically made my day, and I think it made the day for pretty much everyone who was there.
पीढ़ी की तरफ से हम ये सवाल उठाना चाहेंगे कि ये वातावरण और प्रदूषण का ये आप क्या धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं? अरे ये कैसा अन्याय है कि मुंबई में बच्चा जानता है कि सांस लेने लोनावला जाना पड़ता है। अरे दिल्ली में बच्चा जानता है कि सांस लेने शिमला जाना पड़ता है। अरे चाहे मुंबई में मैंग्रोव हो या फिर निकोबार में सागर हो या फिर वो अरावली की पहाड़ है, उसका तो आप फुटबॉल फील्ड बनाना चाह रहे थे। अरे ये आप ऐसे चलते जाएंगे तो यहाँ की युवा पीढ़ी आपकी क्रियाकरण करने वाली है।
I think it's amazing that they're using their platform to make an impact, to have people care about bigger things. I think that when people are singing and dancing together, they're probably going to feel the sense of community that we need in the world right now. So I think that it's amazing that Swaratma is doing this. Yeah.
Generate emotion about climate change and it just not be like information that you throw at a person, right? Like this is so much more alive than like text on paper. It's so nice.
I absolutely love when art comes with a message, and this is beautiful art which comes with a really important message.
Day with a concert like this was definitely new. I would not have expected this at all. And after spending like the past 2 weeks doing all sorts of research regarding my project today, this was a really good breather that I had.
I'll remember the songs and I'll remember, about environment and the cause. And however, I plant trees every year, but I will plant more now.
I'm gonna go back not thinking about the music but thinking about like the lyrics and the